And welcome to another session of Retail Graph. Today we will be discussing about unit definition. Again we go to masters. Within masters we go to inventory. In inventory we have unit definition. As we click on unit definition, again as you can see, the layout and the syntax remains the same of different menus. Again we can right click, go to set grid layout and modify according to our requirement. Similarly, there are options like home, view, options. In home we have new, edit, form view, print, delete and refresh. View we have preview, print options, grid layout, save grid layout. And in options we have export to Excel, system maintenance, log reports, send SMS, export import data and detail search. Now as the name suggests, unit definition, this is basically the product's unit definition in which it has been sold. For example, if we say carpets or sheets, then they are sold in length and breadth. That is a carpet of 4 feet by 3 feet or 4 meter by 3 meter. So herein we define the definition. So if a carpet is of 4 meter by 3 meter, then the total area is 4 into 3, that is 12 square meter. So herein we define a unit. We click on new. We define the unit as square meter, which is equal to meter multiplied by meter. Let's have a constant 1 and 1. So herein square meter is meter into meter. So we save. So the definition is set. Square meter is equal to meter into meter and divided by 1, which is a constant. So similarly we can create other definitions for example, let's say a blog, wherein the blog has a definition of square, or let us say a cubic meter. So in cubic meter we can set the unit as cubic meter, which is equal to length into breadth into height. So meter into meter into meter, and then we click on save. So this way we can define unit definitions. Again we can select and edit any definition. We can also do a form view, as you all know, and we can save. Hope you have understood the unit definition, which is in master. Thank you so much.